Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how can you solve 3 cross 3 Rubik's cube. So let's get started. So here I have a Rubik's cube and I am going to solve this. And as you can see, the Rubik's cube has been solved. So before we start solving our Rubik's cube, first we need to know what does a Rubik's cube consist of. So basically a Rubik's cube consists of three main parts. First is the center, then a edge, and then a corner piece. The centerpiece is this pieces which is between a color. As you can see, this is a centerpiece, this is a centerpiece, this as well. Now next thing is the edge. Edge is these pieces which consists of two colors. You can see there is two colors here. So this is one edge, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are total 8 edges, and corners there are which consist of three colors, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So before we solve a Rubik's cube, we need to know its turns. So this is called as R and this is called as R prime. If you want to denote it, you need to use apostrophe. Next L and L prime. This is L and this is L prime. Next U, U stands for up. We need to turn like this, which is U, and counterclockwise, which is U prime. Next is F, this is F and this is F prime. Next D, this is D down and opposite D prime. And final back B like this, B and opposite B prime. So these are the turns we need to know before we solve a Rubik's cube. Pause this video and rewind it back and keep doing until you master it. Now to solve a Rubik's cube, you need only two algorithms. First is the right hand algorithm. So right hand algorithm consists of R, U, R prime, U prime. And if you keep doing, you'll come back to the same position. Now you have to keep doing until you are enough fast, and you should understand this. Next is opposite for the left hand. So to do that, do it L, L prime, U prime, L, U. You have to keep doing until you get it solved. So these are the two algorithms which we need to use to solve the Rubik's cube. Now I have taken a scrambled Rubik's cube, as you can see here, and now we are going to solve. Now we are going to do total 7 steps. So first step is to make a white cross. So in order to make a white cross, don't start up with white, just flip it and you'll get a yellow color. Now we are going to solve this Rubik's cube in layer by layer. Layer means this is a layer, as you can see, and this is the middle layer and this is the last layer. So you want to solve layer by layer, not color by color. If you solve color by color, when you go to the next color, the first one will be scrambled. So you should not do that. So now you should find a yellow center and try to make a white cross. means there should be a white piece here, here, here and here. So here there is already a white piece. Now we are going to fill this three places. So now to solve that, I have a piece here. It should be in the edge, and to solve that, let's do like this and like this. So you have to keep doing, and if you practice more and more, you will master it and you will be ready with your plus. So here I am ready. So now I have a white cross here. I'm going to I need to put this here, but this is going away, so we need to leave a free space here. So to leave a free space, let's turn this, and here we have a free space. Now done. Next we have here. So to do that, now we can't bring it like this because the front one will get scrambled. So to do that, we need to leave us free space so that we turn. So I'm going to do like this and then like this so that this piece come here. Now I need a free space, and I'm going to give a free space and cover this white. It looks like a daisy, but if you do more and more times, you'll master it. Okay, now we have solved this. Now next thing we need to do, match this edge pieces. As you can see, this is an edge piece and with this color. So this should be the same matching. So I'm now to hold this both together and turn it until you find something like this. One edge with two colors and a centerpiece. Now once you get that, you have to turn it down so that this piece comes down. Next, you have to do the same thing to everything, to all the pieces, and you'll see your plus is ready. Now we need to solve this whole white color and the first layer. So to do that, here comes the right hand algorithm method. You have to find a corner piece which looks something like this, which has a color here, you can see, and another color, and a white piece at your right palm. So you can see this is the piece we need. Now we need to match these colors with these centerpieces. So to do that, hold these two together and turn it until you find these two centerpieces. Now you can see blue and orange, and here orange and blue. So you have to do one time the right hand algorithm. So let me do it. And now you'll see it's in its place. Next thing, sometimes you'll find a piece something like this, which will not have at your right hand. So you have to keep doing the right hand algorithm until you find like this, something like this. Next you have to match this both centerpieces. So let me match this red and green and do the right hand algorithm, and you'll see here it's there. Next it's already there here with the centerpieces. Let me do it once and keep doing. And red and blue, we need to match it here, red and blue, and do once the right hand algorithm. Now sometimes it comes here, the pieces come here. You have to do the right hand algorithm once and then match the center pieces and then bring it like this. Now we have a last piece and we have to solve this. Now you'll see our white color has been solved and our first layer is solved as well. So now what we have to do is to solve this middle layer. As you can see, this is the middle layer. We need to solve this. So to do that, we have to just take a edge piece of facing yellow. You have to face the yellow and just turn it a little bit to get a center edge piece without a yellow color. So here there is a blue and orange, and here orange and a green, here blue and a yellow. Yellow, we have to not consider the yellow one, and here red and yellow, we have to not again consider the yellow one, but we have this one. So you have to match this with something like this. Like this should be a color. As you can see, this is a color with its color. So blue, orange, orange and orange. Now we have to take this blue to some place. Now let's check. Should we bring this blue here? Yes. It will not go here because this is a blue color. So to bring any color to its right side, you have to first take it far from it. When you want to bring it to right, take it to the left. If you want to bring it to the left, take it to the right. Now once do the right hand algorithm, then you have to turn this like this and do the left hand algorithm, and you'll see it's in its place. Next let's find, and here we have orange and green, and it's already matched. Now we have to bring it here at the right side. So you have to take it to the left and then the right hand algorithm, and then the left hand algorithm. Now match the red pieces. Now we have to bring this to left, not to right. So what should we do in that case? In that case, first take it to the left, then first do the left hand algorithm, and then do the right hand algorithm. And this will come to its place. Next, now you'll find some pieces which will have yellow every time. You'll see this is yellow and green. You should not consider this. We should not consider this. Yellow and red, no. Orange and yellow, no. But our middle layer is not yet solved. We have to solve this. So to do that, first do a right hand algorithm, then turn it. I have turned it, then left hand algorithm. And now you will find a piece without a yellow and match it with the red. Then take it far from it, then the right hand algorithm, and then the left hand algorithm. And you'll see a middle layer has been solved. Now, if the plus is already there for you, you're lucky. But if it's not there, I'm going to show now. Now, in some cases, your plus will be not solved. So now our next mission is to create a plus here or a cross. So to do that, let's take a white piece, a yellow piece, and turn it like this. You'll see it's like this. You have to turn it like this, and then do a right hand algorithm, and then turn it back, and it's back. And you have to do this until you find a sleeping line or a horizontal line like this. Once you find this, turn it again. Now you have to take the measure of something like this. You can see the horizontal line should face like this only, not vertical, horizontal. Turn it and then do the right hand algorithm. Now you are ready. Now our plus is ready. Now next thing we need to do is that now we have to fill this places so that our yellow is completely ready. So first we need to do is to match these colors like yellow, red and green. So it should sit between the same colors here. So now here let's check some like this. So orange, blue and yellow sits between yellow, blue and red. No, this is not the color because blue it's matching with the centerpiece. Orange it's not there in this sequence. So this is not the color. This is not in its right place. Now we need to bring this into its right place. Next thing, let's check this. Blue, red, yellow, yellow, red, green. No. Next is this. Yellow, red, green, yellow, orange, green. No. Yellow, green, orange, yellow, yellow, orange, blue. No. That means nothing is correct. So now let us solve this. Now let's check. Blue, red and yellow sits between yellow, blue and red. This is correct. Next thing, yellow, red and green sits between yellow, red and green, and rest two are wrong. So now you need to do the right hand algorithm 3 times and turn it, and then do the left hand algorithm 3 times. And now let's match it again and let's check it once again. So now let us check yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange, correct. Red, blue, yellow. This is not the color because yellow, orange and blue. Next, this is also not the color and this is not as well. Let's turn. This is sitting in correct place. This is not sitting in its correct place. This is not, and this is sitting. So these two are sitting in its place, but these two are not sitting in its place. So to solve this, you have to do again right hand algorithm 3 times. Turn it, then the left hand algorithm 3 times. Now you are almost ready. Now we need to solve this 3 and we are done. So now to do that, you have to first take like this, and you should be left with 3 corner pieces only. So let me take this yellow piece, and to do that, if it is this yellow piece is here in the right, you have to do the right hand algorithm. For me it's on the left, so I'm going to do the left hand algorithm. Do it until it comes like this and it's solved. Now this you have to match it with the yellow as well. So here it's orange, no, here it's the yellow. Now do the left hand algorithm until it's solved. Next, this is solved as well. Now the last piece, now it's scrambled. Don't get worried because we'll solve it step by step. Now you will see it's almost solved. Now this is the color. Now let's make it to sit in the red color, and this is yellow, red and white. So now what you have to do, this is the last step wherein we need to solve this 3 edges and we are done. So now this is a little bit complicated, but if you do it slowly you will understand it. So now you have to do the right hand algorithm once, then the left hand algorithm once, and right hand algorithm 5 times. Let me do it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now do the left hand algorithm 5 times. You have to do it, and you will see your Rubik's cube is been solved. If it is not solved, do the method once again. Do once right hand algorithm, once left hand algorithm, and then 5 times right and 5 times left hand algorithms, and then your Rubik's cube will be solved. So this is how you can solve a Rubik's cube. This was the easiest method to solve a Rubik 3x3 Rubik's cube. So if you did not understand any part of the video, you can comment me in the comment box, or you can rewind the video back and watch it once again. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you like this content, make sure to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.